Welcome to the Mid-Atlantic. So the Mid-Atlantic, the colonies in the Mid-Atlantic are New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. The Mid-Atlantic has a moderate climate and mild winters each year.
Rich people have better houses and more money. Unlike poor people, they have small, poor houses and not much money like rich people do.
The Mid-Atlantic sells things like fish, grains, and livestock with the southern resources, and the southern trades wheat, tobacco, indigo with the Mid-Atlantic.
There are really nice harbors and bays with wide, deep rivers. There is also the Appalachian Mountains that you can visit. It's such a beautiful sight.
In the Mid-Atlantic, there were farms and market towns where people would trade and socialize with others. There was also a church that the people went to every Sunday, and they would stop working.
The Mid-Atlantic made bread, and for that, the region was known as the breadbasket colonies. They also had artisans like butchers, coopers, shoemakers, and etc.
Thank you for listening.